Imagine this, you're typing on your laptop, but inside, instead of silicon chips and transistors, millions of living bacteria are doing the calculations. They divide, replicate, and communicate just like cells in your body, yet together they act like a living supercomputer. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? Well, welcome to the future of computing, where your next processor might not be made of metal, but of life itself. For decades, computing has been powered by silicon. From your phone to the world's most advanced supercomputers, silicon transistors are the building blocks. But we're hitting a wall. Silicon chips are reaching their physical limits. Smaller transistors mean more heat, more energy use, and more costs. That's why scientists are looking elsewhere. And what they've discovered is nothing short of mind-bending, using bacteria as computers. Ab Muji script K Hisopsi micro detailed maximum prompts di dujo K Mary E script ko tasfer. K shakel me iki tar kz describe crane. Make sure K belko real de country type pick generate crane. And note that K-Pix MJ Mita aside generate ekwani hain east may mention kudane K-Pix per koi text ya logo na. Ho or YouTube videos is EK Hisopsi pick causes eb mention kurdana. How can bacteria, tiny single-celled organisms, perform computation? The secret lies in their DNA. Every bacterial cell carries genetic instructions, and scientists have figured out how to reprogram these instructions. By inserting synthetic DNA circuits, they can make bacteria behave like logic gates, the same yes or no systems that digital computers use. Think of it this way, where your laptop uses electricity to process ones and zeros, bacteria can process signals through chemical reactions. A specific molecule can act as a 1 and its absence as a 0. Multiply that by millions of cells working together, and suddenly, you have a biological network capable of solving problems. Bacteria are everywhere inside you, around you, even in extreme environments like volcanoes and the deep ocean. They reproduce quickly, adapt easily, and can communicate with each other. This makes them ideal for biocomputers. While silicon chips overheat, bacteria thrive as long as you give them nutrients. In theory, a colony of bacteria could run computations almost indefinitely, with no need for electricity grids or cooling fans. So why are scientists so excited? Because living computers could do things silicon never can. Imagine swallowing a capsule filled with engineered bacteria. Inside your body, they detect early signs of cancer or infection, computer result, and release a signal doctors can read. Imagine bacteria released into polluted water, computing contamination levels in real time, and even helping clean it. Imagine smart agriculture, where bacterial biocomputers in soil calculate nutrient levels and communicate directly with farmers. And think of energy efficiency. While supercomputers consume megawatts of power, living bacteria need nothing more than sugar, oxygen, and warmth. This isn't just theory. Labs around the world are already building prototypes. Synthetic biology companies are racing to design the first reliable bacterial processors. But here's the twist. Every powerful technology comes with a shadow. What happens when we give living organisms the ability to compute? Could engineered bacteria escape the lab and behave unpredictably? Could biohackers create malicious bacterial code, just like viruses in cyberspace? And here's the scariest thought. Unlike silicon, bacteria evolve. They don't just sit idle. They mutate. A living computer could, in theory, rewrite itself. Will we lose control of our own machines? Despite these concerns, the possibilities are too extraordinary to ignore. Imagine supercomputers the size of a sugar cube. Imagine bio-devices inside your body that can heal you in real time. Imagine solving problems like climate change, pandemics, and food security with living processors that adapt faster than any silicon chip ever could. Scientists believe that in the next 20 to 30 years, biocomputing could become as revolutionary as the invention of electricity. And here's the kicker, the first bacterial computers might already exist in experimental labs today. So the next time you open your laptop or unlock your phone, think about this, the age of lifeless. Metal machines may be ending. The future might not just be artificial intelligence, it might be biological intelligence. And when computers start to live, breathe, and evolve, the real question will be, are we programming them, or are they programming us?